My name is Sebastian Mittermeier. I do a lot of landscape, sports and commercial work for brands in the outdoor industry. Right now we are heading to the Stubai Glacier to shoot some snowboarding action. It's crazy to me to have such a range in a compact package. No matter if I have to hike up a mountain, shoot from a bike or ride a snowboard to get to location. When I'm out shooting, I don't want to worry about my kit. Gear that I can rely on in every environment. And the more versatile it is, the better. You never know what you might need, and there's usually not much time to switch out lenses. And you don't have to compromise on sharpness and quality across the entire focal length. When shooting sports, it's important to be able to trust the autofocus. The Sigma 60-600 DG DN OS Sports has a really fast and evolved autofocus and is able to keep up with the action. The IO stabilization makes sure you get the best image quality possible. The amount of different photos you can cover with this lens is just amazing. From landscape to portraits to lifestyle and action, the Sigma 60-600 DG DN OS Sports can do it all.